Yeah. What's this one?
As a scan the politician.
If I buy the case from other supplier, doesn't work?
No, only buy from me.
Yeah, but you sell too expensive. My friend, that's the problem. Yeah.
1.2.
Three, we make it 5,000. Done, my friend. Congratulations. 5,000 each.
I send the chest to you. You have time can come to my factory.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what's the price? The price? This one?
This one price is
Scan the code. To print. Is it built up with battery?
yes with battery inside.
How many watt?
240.
How much?
94.
24. What's the MOQ? How much?
US $60.
60?
60.
60. Too expensive.
알려줄 차이야.
They have a wheels, I think. Is it built up with battery?
Yes with battery inside.
How many watt?
240.
How much?
94.
24. What's the MOQ?
500. 500 piece.
Not much MOQ, huh? The MOQ is very low. Should be like 3,000. 95, huh? 95.
94.
94.
94. Where is the market?
Australia.
Australia.
You have a customer there?
Yeah, we have the Australia customer.
This one is Australia.
Yeah.
What's this one?
These ones, I don't know what they are. Yeah, Australia.
Okay, Australia. Okay, this.
Maybe first order can be 300, but maybe try order.
Right, 300.
Did you sell the party speaker already?
Yes.
Can I have your name card?
Oh, I have on my WeChat. Oh, you done it? Oh, you done? Okay, thank you. Thank you. Maybe he's buying it, I think. Was good. This one is more powerful. 240. Another one. This one is maybe big one. I think it's good business, this.
Hi, sir.
Hello, how are you?
Hello, I'm great. Okay, thank you. This is our phone case printing vending machine. It can print a phone case in 1 minute, just like this. This phone case is made by our machine.
Okay. So does it come with the phone case or we have to put our own one case?
No. Our machine will put the phone case. You just need scan the QR and choose your phone model. It can be printing your phone case.
Okay, so
You just need to pay, place an order, and then the machine will give you a phone case by your phone model. Yes.
how much?
How much? We have different printing effects. This one is a normal one. You can have a touch.
Yep.
Normal one. And this one is a 3D relief.
Okay, 3D. Yep.
Yes, you can have a touch.
Yep.
Yes, different touch price.
So which one is this one? 3D?
This one is 1,600 print height. We have 4 print heights. Yes, and this one is made by our 3200. Yes, the best print height. Yes.
So what's the price? The price, this one?
This one price is 800 US dollars.
Okay.
Yes, and by our 3D relief is 6,100, and also including a payment system, NIAS or cash payment. Yes.
So how many kites coming with this?
588.
So then we have to buy the kites too?
Yes, you can buy the cases from us because our phone case and this machine we test many times, so we can promise the better effective printing by our machine.
How much is the case?
The case, we have different phone case. This one NK10.
Full shock proof.
Yes.
Or
It is good price. And this one is our normal one,
Yep.
NK1. This one is 0.78 US dollars. Yes, NK1
okay.
and NK10. Yes. But we also have another phone case like this, transparent with magnetic. Yes.
How much is that?
This one is 1.51.
1.51.
Yes.
Okay.
Very good quality.
Yeah.
You can have the touch.
Yeah.
Very good quality. Yes, right.
Yeah.
And the man of which country are you from?
Australia.
Australia is good. It's a good market. Yes. So did you have been seeing this machine in Australia? No. This machine are very popular in Australia. Like that way. SM Center. Did you know this? SM Center. Okay. Maybe I forget. But we also have many machines in Australia.
Okay. Do you have a buyer from there?
What?
Buyer from Australia? Have you sent any of these to Australia?
Yes. We have sent this machine in Australia. Yes.
Okay.
We can do that. And we also do many other countries like Kingdom, UK, Germany, Spanish, Spain, and Italy and France. Yes.
Okay.
We also get and we also do the American market. Yes.
Okay.
Send me your address.
Yeah,
Okay, so this one is the back.
Yes,
Oh,
on
you fill up.
inside.
Okay. So what about the ink? How much ink it use?
Ink.
Yeah, the color printer, for the printer.
We use UV ink. UV ink, a very good quality ink.
How
And the
long will
one
this-
state 50 US dollars, including this price. And then you can see, okay, just like our engineers, she now is in stock, in at the stock, input the phone case in the machine.
Machine.
Yes, you can see for this price, 5,000 right?
5,000.
Yes, we're including ink. Okay.
Yeah. It,
Can I have your business card? Business card.
business card is finished.
Okay.
Yeah. I didn't bring it. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Scan the code to print. Start. English. Which model I want? Samsung. I choose my model. Was it S23?
It's 22.
You don't have S22.
I think it's 23 work.
S23. S23. Select S23. No. Please see it. Or photo. This is an image. Yep. I think they pick it up now. Yeah, this one is nice too. When you put, they have a screen. You put display. Top, but other one they had a top too.
They put it on for you.
Yeah. This one is smaller.
Okay. I send a message to you.
This one how much?
$6,500.
No, I don't need that.
6,100.
4,700.
This one is expensive.
Come save.
It's more
It's good.
complete.
Come on,
Maybe we have to go have a look at their.
Yeah.
600.
Please turn on your phone camera.
Please scan the QR code or your phone camera to customize your case.
I send to you. I can see that. $9,500.
Send me this one price also. No, this one price also.
$9,500.
Price is 6.5.
$6,900.
$6,900. How many case they fit there? You put case.
Inside?
Yeah.
770 case inside.
Okay, 770.
Yeah.
So do you guys supply the case too?
Yeah. You need to buy the case from me.
Yep.
Maybe you can make the case about 1,000 or 1,500 piece.
Okay. So how much is the tank price?
The ink, one set is $66.
66. So how much is the other one? What's this one?
I scan the protection for this protection.
Oh, you put the screen protector?
Yeah.
Oh, too.
Inside can clean your phone.
Oh, clean.
Yeah.
So it doesn't put the screen protector?
Yeah. I put a new one.
Oh, put the new one.
Yeah.
How much is this?
$9,500.
So this one you clean? The screen?
Clean and put the new one in the phone.
Okay, this temper glasses.
Yeah.
Does it come with the temper glasses too?
Yeah.
Any model? Case? Like
Case.
Samsung?
All the model. All the model.
So then if we buy from you, can you set it up like for like iPhone, Samsung?
Yeah, all the model, all the model.
What about the warranty?
1 to 3 years.
3 years.
Yeah.
So if something a small issue, can I fix it?
Yeah,
Is it easy to fix?
yeah, easy.
You guys have a base in Gonjo?
Yeah. My factory in Guangzhou.
Give me the card. I'm coming on.
You have WhatsApp or WeChat. I scan to you and send the jet to you.
But there's another store. They sell it for 5,000.
I tell you why. Another machine shipped to me. WhatsApp or WeChat.
WeChat.
Okay. Do you know why? Another. The Canton is option 600 number. 600. The Canton, maybe you use 6 months or 8 months. You broken. You need to change. You change the Canton. It's very difficult. With Canton, you can more. You can use more 2 years.
Okay.
Yeah.
But we wanna buy like if we buy 3 and one of this one.
$9,500.
Yeah, but if we buy 3, can you make it the price a little bit lower?
No. This is the last price. Yeah, it's this.
So how much is the case?
Case have MaySafe is 2.5. Without the MaySafe is 1.2 and 1.5.
No, we need a like high quality case, full shock proof.
Yeah. The quality same. So have MaySafe or without the MaySafe like this. Without the MaySafe is 1.2 and 1.5. Have MaySafe like this is 2.5.
$2.5.
Dollar.
My friend, too much. The case is too expensive.
You know, my case is like the quality is like to the Case T5.
Can I see your case?
Yeah.
The quality?
Yeah. Are you here? This for 70 Pro Max.
That's all right. But what about if we buy if I buy the case from other supplier, doesn't work?
No. Only buy for me.
Yeah, but you sell too expensive. My friend, that's the problem.
I send the jet to you.
Okay. Why I can't buy from other supplier the case?
Okay, I send the jet to you.
Okay. Why I can't? You put any case or only this design case?
Yeah.
Any case can I put inside or no?
Another, only for my factory.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're very smart.
Yeah.
Very smart.
Yeah, you are smart.
Yeah, maybe we're gonna think about that. We come, but we're gonna buy like 3.
Yeah. Free price.
Yeah.
1.2.
3 we make it 5,000. Done, my friend. Congratulations. 5,000 each.
I send the jet to you. You have time can come to my factory.
Yeah, I'm coming after Shenzhen. Yeah, done.
Okay.
Okay, too. Thank you. Maybe we check the other one.